If I want to introduce myself, so myself Yash, an engineer who want to create impact in the world full of AI. I want to make each and individual accountable for what and all they do. Because that is the biggest problem right now we are facing. If you want to do something, if you want to get something, we'll always rely on AI. You know, the information that we want to get, and the information is very personal to you. You will give that information to AI and that will summarize for you. I'm not against AI, but using it prominently. Because let's take an example. Does AI is making you dumb or making you intelligent? Because right now, whenever you will be getting some sort of document, some sort of information in your hand, so what will be the very first step that you will take? You will take that information and dump to AI, and AI will summarize for you. But in reality, that information is meant for you. That information is regarding to you, so you should know what it is, not an AI. Okay, if you are not getting any meaning of any word, you can search. This is how you will build your vocabulary as well. But if you are totally relying on that, it is making you feel dumb. And you think, if you are using AI to write a message, if you are using AI to customize message to reach out to person for a job, because AI will only know the feature and the things that you have mentioned in resume, not who you are. I think we all can describe ourselves better than AI.